Hi. Everyone hold on tight, because today, according to the plan, an extreme flight into the abyss of amazing and picturesque shots from around the world. Let's go.
You will never get into such a situation because I wish you good luck.
Injuries at work are by no means uncommon. But it's one thing when you accidentally cut yourself with paper in the office, and quite another when you yourself almost became something like paper. To your surprise and mine, the guy remained completely unharmed, despite the fact that he got inside entirely. Amazing. With very heavy objects in general, you need to be extremely careful. Because one mistake will almost certainly cost someone their life. It could turn out something like this. Instructions on how to spend a vacation at sea so that it will be remembered for a lifetime. This lucky guy can't even hold back a smile. Let's be happy for him.
Quick!
Have you ever wondered why there are no footpaths and a huge number of tunnels for trains? After all, it would help to avoid many accidents. For example, you and your friends got lost and decided to go through a tunnel to find a way out. But then suddenly a train appears and a survival game begins because there is nowhere to hide at all. You will be able to return unharmed only if you know how to run fast. Write in the comments what you think about this. Now there will be a video that I didn't understand. If anyone can explain to me what happened here, I wish you good luck for the month ahead. Thanks. I think it's shotgun bullets or something like that. It's amazing what people are willing to do in order not to be late for an important event for them.
I got it on video.
It may seem that this is just a helicopter filmed from a great distance. But the first impression is deceptive. This is something much scarier. And I'm not talking about UFOs. There are enough horrors in our world without aliens. And these horrors, by the way, can manifest themselves at the most unexpected moment. If you have ever had a desire to do rock climbing, then in a few seconds there will be no trace of it. Consider him lucky. Usually everything ends with fractures of ribs and legs. The car just decided to plunge into the cool water after a hard day's work. Let's not judge her harshly. Making videos on YouTube is always fun. Every time you come up with something new and then put this idea into practice. But sometimes, for the sake of a beautiful frame, people go so far that it becomes deadly. It remains only to envy his steel balls. It happened at one of the motorcycle races. The motorcyclist skidded on the turn, and he was supposed to fall and crash, but everything went differently. Not only did he not fall, but he was able to show all the viewers how high his professionalism is. Even after flying out of the saddle of the motorcycle, he retained control over it. Unbelievably. I'm afraid to imagine what must happen to a person in life so that he doesn't care about everything so much. This is what I remember when someone tells me that he was blown away. When someone tells me that God does not protect us, I will show him this video. From that moment I began to believe. Thank you so much for watching. Leave likes, write comments, because this is how you can help our small community develop. There are more and more of us. See you soon. Peace.